We've been brushing up on the latest hacks and gadgets, all aimed at making your life easier. Is your fridge a constant mess? All you need is folder dividers. Line them up in your fridge and fill with your delicious veggies. Or stack them for easy access. Here's a cool hack. In fact, it's as cool as a cucumber. Half and core cucumber, then stuff with cherry tomatoes. Now slice the cucumber into rings. Watch those fingers. It makes a healthy and tasty snack. Can't decide on which soda to drink? Then you need the Duo bottle. This clever bottle has 2 straws and space for 2 drinks. So you don't have to choose between your favorite drinks. Fill the bottle, replace the lid, and enjoy. Just twist the lid to switch between drinks. 5 stars. Huh. That's a unique way to serve pasta. Place a drainer in the pot and then drain. You won't be eating dinner from the sink. The spiral cutter adds a little creativity to your veggies. Insert the cutter and then twist. It's that easy. You'll have food that really looks good enough to eat. A yummy 5 stars. Lightly score a potato with a knife. Then place it in boiling water. Once the potatoes are cooked, remove from the heat. Plunging them in iced water stops the cooking process. Just run your fingers over the skin to peel them. It's a real time saver. Now let's eat. Take a piece of aluminum foil and scrunch it up. Use it to scrub the skin from carrots. It's quick, easy, and really works. That is 1 clean carrot. These multi-purpose handheld tongs are a kitchen necessity. They're perfect for grabbing vegetables. Flip the tongs over and chop vegetables safely. It gives you even slices every time. It's a handy gadget to have. 5 stars. Looks like someone's cooking up a storm. And making a mess. Here's a little tip. Take a cardboard box and cut a flap in it. Fold it over and place it on the edge of your table. Then just slide your food scraps right into it. I think I'll skip the avocado toast today. Keep your avocado in perfect condition by rubbing oil over the flesh. I know which one looks more appetizing. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But no one wants a bowl of soggy cereal, right? Start your day right with the anti-soggy bowl. This brilliant bowl has a section for milk and a section for your crunchy cornflakes. Every spoonful will have the exact amount of milk. Good. 5 stars. There's no need to shed a tear at the thought of peeling onions. Cut off the tops and bottoms, place in a bowl, and cover with a pot lid. Then shake. After 30 seconds, the skins will have come off. You'll be crying tears of joy with this time-saving hack. Separating garlic bulbs doesn't need to be a mini workout, but they are hard to peel. Try slicing the garlic in half. Then get rid of any stress by smashing the cloves. Pretty useful if there's any vampires nearby. We know. Juice goes into a glass, not a plastic bag. But trust us. Fill the bag halfway, then seal it. Place the bag into a larger bag. Then add ice. This is a pretty cool hack. In fact, it's ice cold. Sprinkle some salt over the ice and seal the bag. Now give it a shake. Lay the bags on a towel and fold it over. Then leave it for 10 minutes. Unwrap the towel and remove the juice bag. All that's left to do is pour it into a glass and enjoy. It makes an ideal snack on a hot summer's day. Summer's great, but when things heat up, it can be uncomfortable. But not when you have the fan hat. This cool-looking fashion accessory blasts you with cold, fresh air. And it has a high airflow, so you'll always feel that cooling breeze. A fantastic 5 stars. Ooh, cookies. Delicious, burnt cookies. Don't worry, they're still edible. Use a box grater to remove any charred cookie pieces. Ah, a girl's night in. Time to pamper yourselves. Take your eye mask game to the next level with this vegetable sharpener. It's so effective. You have soothing strips of cucumber in seconds. It makes it easy to apply. Your skin will be glowing. There's plenty to go around. Try it. It's extremely satisfying. 5 stars. Here's an excellent idea. Use an earring to make a small hole in an eggshell, then put it in boiling water. Wait for them to cook and drain. Tap the eggs on a hard surface to crack the shell. It makes peeling the eggs so easy. Whoa! It's so bright. And warm. The sweaty look is never good. This umbrella with humidification will save the day. It's multifunctional. It'll keep you shaded and cool. It even has a refreshing mist spray. 5 stars. Looks like you've skipped arm day at the gym. Let's try a different approach. Okay, that was pointless. Whoa, let's not do anything drastic. Just kidding. Punch a small hole in the lid of the jar with a knife. Those juicy pickles are all yours. Stack mushrooms on a wooden skewer. Then slice them. It's so quick and easy. And safe. This pineapple cutter is perfect for those with more tropical taste buds. It cores and removes rings of the juicy fruit in seconds. 5 stars. The multi-slicer will have you chopping fruit and veg like a professional. It slices, dices, chops, and quarters all types of food. 5 stars. Cut a pumpkin into wedges and place it in a bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap. Cook it in the microwave for 10 minutes. Remove the plastic wrap and then peel the wedges. The skin will come off in one piece. Use a straw to remove the core from a strawberry. Just push it through and the stalk will pop out. There's no need to chop or slice. It's good for desserts. And it's making me hungry. That's not how you remove the stalk from a strawberry. The universal huller will remove the stalk with ease. And it's not just from berries. It works on pineapples and tomatoes too. It's so convenient and practical. A very good 5 stars. Keep going. Almost there. Just a little more. You've got something on your face. Open the flour bag up, then fold it over. Just like this. Fold it under the flap to secure the bag. No more messy accidents. The portable dishwasher lets you scrub plates without getting your hands dirty. And it's easy to install. It's budget-friendly, saving you money. Switch it on, fill the sink, and let it do its thing. It's a real time saver. Its compact size means it doesn't take up space in the sink. It definitely cleans up. 5 stars.